Hello everyone, dear friends! Today we'll be doing an acceleration of our deposit from $100 to a large amount, like about $10,000. Why not? We will use envelopes and MACD indicators. They will help us analyze the charts, and we're good to go, looking for the right situation that fits our strategy. So here, guys, look, I see a great entry situation. I open on the downside. The price has already reversed, and according to the envelopes indicators, we can also notice that the general price movement is moving downwards, and the deal was open in the same direction. So here, guys, look at this. Our first trade is working out great in closing in the plus side. We have already doubled our deposit, and we are not stopping there, looking for the right situation to enter. I see a great situation in the place, guys. Here I open on the upside, the price has already reversed, and the MACD indicators say that our line will push further from the lower boundary and go in the opposite direction. Therefore, the deal was opened on the upside. Well, dear friend, the deal closes in plus and the balance is already almost $400. That's a great result. We're changing the amount of our deal and we keep looking for those currency pairs that will fit our strategy. So here, guys, look, here I see a great situation. I open on the downside. We see that the price has already reversed and the envelopes indicator said that in this trading range we have a general price movement going down. And as you can see, the price has already comfortably go down and we are waiting for our deal to close in the plus. And look at that, our deal is working out great. Trading indicators work well. We're changing the amount of our deal. I would also like to note that in our Telegram channel, we go into more detail on how to use these trading strategies in general. So since we have the training material in addition to signals, but we keep going, looking for a situation that fits. And now I see a good situation in this place. I open on the upside, and why did it open up at the particular location? What I noticed here is that the price has reached such a good support level from which it will further push off and go in the opposite direction. Alright, guys, look at this. Almost $1,500 in the bank, a very good result, which is the amount of our transaction, and proceed. I see a good situation in this location. The price has already gone for a reversal for a decrease, so we open and trade in the same direction. And there you go, folks. Our deal is working out great. We take our profits. Look at that. There's already a good amount of almost $3,000 in the balance. We changed the amount of our deal and we are still going on. Here in this place, I see that the price is already going down and we open a trade in the same direction. So like down. Here we can also see from the envelopes indicator that the overall downward movement is moving to the downside, and therefore the trade was opened in the same direction. And here guys, look at this. Our trade is working itself out perfectly and closed in the plus side. A very good amount already on the balance of $5,000. And like we change our deal amount and continue to look for those situations that fit our strategy. Here guys, look, at this point I see a good situation to enter the trade. We're opening for a promotion here. What can we notice here? Like the MACD indicator tells us that our line has reached the lower boundary. This is an indication that she will be pushing away from it and going the opposite direction in the future. That's why the deal was opened upwards. So look guys, our deal is working out great and closing in the plus side. There's already over $7,000 in the balance. A very good result, I believe, but we won't stop there. And we should open one more trade and we will already have like $10,000 on our balance. And that's where I see a good situation. Here open on the upside, the price is already going for a reversal, and in this trading range we can notice that the general price movement we have is moving upwards, and therefore the trade was opened in the same direction. So here guys, look at it. There's already over $10,000 in the balance and we're taking out profit. Great trading today. We can pretty much call it a day. We would also like to note that in our Telegram channel we have more detailed information on how to use these trading strategies and trading indicators. But we'll stop there. Thank you all for watching. Bye.